Curious about one of the hottest trends in real estate? It's the rise of multi-generational living. More families than ever are choosing to live under one roof, and the numbers prove it. 17% of home buyers today are opting for multi-generational homes, the highest level ever recorded by the National Association of Realtors. Hey there, I'm Cheryl Folks with Superior Town and Country Group at eXp Realty, and today we're diving into why so many families are making this move and why it just might be the perfect option for you. So what is multi-generational living? Well, simply put, it's when multiple generations of a family share a home, whether it's parents, adult children, grandparents, or even extended relatives. So why is this a trend? In the past, the main reason families moved in together was for caregiving options, helping aging parents while keeping them close. And while that's still important, there's another big reason today: affordability. Let's be real, home prices have risen, and buying a home solo can be tough. But pooling resources, families can. You can split major costs like mortgage, utilities, maintenance. You can afford a bigger home with more space and amenities. And you're building wealth together through homeownership. In a market where affordability is a challenge, buying a home with a family is becoming a smarter solution. But it's more than just financial perks. Multi-generational living isn't just about saving money. It's also about building stronger connections and spending more quality time with family. Just think about it. More home-cooked meals together, built-in babysitters, and memories that will last a lifetime. Think about making a move? Let's talk. If your budget feels stretched or you just love the idea of keeping family closer, a multi-generational home could be perfect fit for you. My team and I are here to help you find the right home that works for everyone. Let's start the journey together. Call, text, or message me. I'd love to help.